Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This is the deal that you have been waiting for. Where? In one of the most upscale areas in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth, known as Beadles Drive. This is a 5 bedroom, 3 bathroom house, perfect for that investment opportunity or for a family who prefer their own living space. Upstairs has 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, kitchen, living and dining room, and a huge balcony, perfect for entertainment or other purposes. Downstairs has two separate self contained flats and a double car garage. Property is 8,439 square feet and has coconut trees, mango trees, etc. Other features of this house includes ceramic tile, garden area, ceiling fans, grilled, kitchen built-ins, main level entry, fully fenced, fully walled, central location, easy access, family oriented, private setting, low maintenance yard, quiet area, road paved, and level lot. The current price of this house is Jamaican 27 million or US $171,500. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.